A long, long time ago, the Earth was still uninhabitable because it was very, very hot. So, how did life form on Earth?
There are so many theories out there. The most accepted theory is the chemosynthetic theory. Let's go to the past. Life was thought to start with a series of chemical reactions, which also started with water. So, 5 billion years ago, the Earth was still made up of hot gases and weird vapors of chemicals like ammonia and methane. These hot gases eventually cooled down and our solid crust was formed. Earth had no oxygen before, so we basically had the same atmosphere as Jupiter and Saturn.
Back to Earth. Rain started to fall and fall until the Earth flooded and formed bodies of water. The methane and ammonia in the air dissolved in the water. Let's go in the ocean. The chemical substances dissolved in the ocean reacted with each other and boom! Ka-chow! Nitrogenous bases, amino acids, fatty acids, and sugars were formed. This also reacted with each other and formed proteins and nucleic acids.
But let's explain this thoroughly. Now, chemosynthesis in biology is the biological conversion of one or more carbon-containing molecule like carbon dioxide and methane and nutrients into organic matter using oxidation of inorganic compounds. These are the phases of chemosynthesis.
Phase 1.
Random molecules of primitive Earth form simple organic molecules with energy provided by the sun.
Phase 2.
Simple organic molecules join together under the influence of heat to create organic macromolecules.
Phase 3.
The macromolecules characterize themselves into organic bodies carrying the traits of an organism.
Phase 4.
Emergence of the nucleic acids marks the first establishment of living things.
Phase 5.
Creation of proteins, fatty acids, sugars, amino acids, and nitrogenous bases. This shows the first sign of evolutionary development.
Phase 6.
Marks the arrival of prokaryotic autotrophic cells that can make food and energy from non-living things.
As with any theory about the origin of life, the chemosynthetic theory is impossible to conclusively prove. However, despite its known imperfections, it is the most rational and available explanation for the evidence at hand. One proof of its molecular theory is that DNA and RNA are genetic bases of all life forms on Earth.
These molecular proofs help support the chemosynthetic theory, making it the most widely accepted scientific theory for the chemical origin of cellular life. The chemosynthetic theory implies that the development of life is probable wherever the physical and chemical conditions are in place. It also implies that all life forms on Earth evolved from a common cellular ancestor.
This has been Group 1 explaining to you the chemosynthetic theory and the 6 phases of chemosynthesis.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.